Hey guys, it's Sto here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to levitate objects. Okay, so for this shoot, you're going to be wanting to have a very fast shutter speed to be able to capture the object mid-air and have it really crisp and in focus. Now, obviously, it needs to be super fast to actually still catch it, to have no blur around it. So that means you need to be shooting at maybe even 1/4000th of a second, or even quicker than that, really, to get that to be crisp and sharp and absolutely still to make it look like it's levitating mid-air. You're also going to be having to use a really low aperture to get everything else blurry in the background, so you can just focus straight on the actual object that you're holding out and you're going to be levitating. This is actually the setup that we're using. Is literally just a Canon 80D on top of a little tripod with a 24 to 105mm lens on top. Really good benefit of having this camera is actually the fact that you have this flip screen, so that means you can actually see exactly what you're doing. So when you're actually dropping the object, you can see yourself if you've got it on a timer, if you don't have an assistant. Also the fact you can actually help yourself actually maneuver a little bit and see where you want to stand. So I'm going to be using my crystal glass prism just because it looks absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at it, it looks amazing. So try find cool locations. I've gone to a wooded forest for this shoot just because it looks really cool. So there's two ways you can actually go about doing this shoot. Either one, you can use a tripod and actually set your camera up on a timer to actually take the shot yourself. So you set it up on like a 3-second timer, 1, 2, 3, drop, and then take the shot and actually keep going, try and try and try. Or you can also get yourself a partner or an assistant to come help you out and actually take the shots for you. It's probably more beneficial if you get another person to do it for you, because they can actually take it faster than the actual timer. They can take like a high continuous shutter and just keep going click, 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 rather than setting it up on a timer. Today I'm going to have my little sister help me out, so let's get straight into it. So there's two ways you can actually go about doing this shot. You can either have your whole body in frame with just your hands out in front, so everything's blurred out, but the only thing it focuses on is your hands. And then obviously you give two hands out. You want to have your hands as flat as possible to make it actually look realistic. So you want to have that bottom hand flat, and then other one as flat as well. Maybe have your thumb underneath it, and then just drop it, and obviously have someone click the shutter. You've got to do it loads of times. It's like literally, this is all about practice. You've got to keep going and going and going until you actually finally get that really good shot. And it really is a bit about patience. You just got to keep trying it and just keep dropping, clicking until you get a good shot. So you can also do it with just one hand in the frame, and then just having the object fall from above the camera and then into the hand, so it actually looks like it's levitating and there's nothing else dropping down on it. It's all about composition. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.